Let's solve a problem on local linear approximation. Find local linear approximation capital L for the function f of xy equals 1 by root of x square plus y square at the point P whose coordinates are 4, 3. Compare the error in approximating function f by using local linear approximation capital L at the point Q whose coordinates are 3.92, 3.01, and the error is to be compared with the distance between point P and point Q. From the Taylor series, for function of two variables, we have found local linear approximation is the expression given by L of xy equals f of x naught y naught plus fx at x naught y naught into x minus x naught plus fy at x naught y naught into y minus y naught. So we will have to evaluate first order partial derivative of function f with respect to x and y. In order to get the approximation, we have f of xy equal 1 by root of x square plus y square, which can be rewritten as x square plus y square the whole raised to negative 1 by 2. We have dou f by dou x equals negative 1 by 2 multiplied to x square plus y square the whole raised to negative 1 by 2 minus 1 into derivative of x square plus y square with respect to x, which is 2x. You can cancel 2 and 2, and the power of x square plus y square becomes negative 3 by 2. And thus you can write x square plus y square along with its power 3 by 2 in the denominator. And in the numerator we are left out with negative x. Since f is a symmetric function on x and y, we have dou f by dou y equals minus y by x square plus y square the whole raised to 3 by 2. We will just replace every x by y and every y by x in the expression of fx to find out the expression of fy. Since we are asked to find out local linear approximation capital L at the specified point 4, 3, when you give x equals 4 and y equals 3, in the expressions of fx and fy, you will get first order partial derivatives of f with respect to x and y at this particular point P. We have fx at 4, 3 equal negative 0.032 and fy at 4, 3 equal negative 0.024. When you give x equals 4 and y equals 3, denominator becomes 4 square plus 3 square the whole raised to 3 by 2, which is 25 the whole raised to 3 by 2. When 25 is written as 5 square, we obtain the denominator as 5 square the whole raised to 3 by 2. In the power part, 2 gets cancelled and the power of 5 is obtained as 3. Thus we have denominators obtained as 5 cube. We have f of x naught y naught equals f of 4, 3 equals 1 by 5 by giving x equals 4 and y equals 3 in the function f of xy equals 1 by root of x square plus y square, thus obtaining f of 4, 3 equals 0.2. Thus we have local linear approximation capital L evaluated at points x naught y naught equal 4, 3 obtained as L of xy equal 0.2 plus negative 0.032 multiplied to x minus 4 plus negative 0.024 multiplied to y minus 3. We know that local linear approximation is a method of approximating function f. Here we are asked to find out approximate value of f at the point Q using local linear approximation capital L. This expression L of xy will help us to approximate function f approximately. Value of f at the point Q, whose coordinates are 3.92, 3.01, can be found by just substituting x equals 3.92 and y equals 3.01 in this RHS. Thus we have L of 3.92, 3.01 equal 0.2 plus 0.0256 minus 2.4 into 10 raised to negative 4, which becomes 0.20232. So using local linear approximation expression, we have found approximate value of f at the point Q. We can find exact value of f at the point Q by giving x equal 3.92 and y equal 3.01. We obtain f of 3.92, 3.01 equal 0.2023342. Now let us evaluate error in approximation, which will be difference between function's exact value at point Q and function's value approximately evaluated using local linear approximation. Thus we have error in approximation equal 0.000014238. Since we are asked to compare error with respect to distance between 2 points P and Q, we will evaluate distance between P and Q using distance formula. We obtain the distance PQ equal 0.0806226. Thus, error by PQ, the ratio is approximate taking the value 0.0001766. Looking at this value, you can conclude that local linear approximation accommodates only a very small error value in approximating function's value. Also, when P and Q are very close, the ratio of error by distance between points is considerably very small.